ESD vinyl flooring tiles have emerged as a remarkable choice, especially in environments where electrostatic discharge control is of utmost importance. Y.H.F Floors in China offers a variety of ESD PVC flooring tiles with diverse patterns and colors to suit different aesthetic and functional needs. Here are some common options. The classic color options include various shades of gray. Gray anti-static flooring exudes professionalism and durability and can hide minor scratches and dirt better. They are ideal for areas where a sense of spaciousness and cleanliness is desired, such as electronics factories, laboratories, and office areas where ESD protection is required. We recommend choosing gray color models: Y.H.E 1802, Y.H.E 1812, and Y.H.E 1830. White ESD PVC tiles of model Y.H.E 1801, with their pure and clean look, are perfect for settings that demand a high level of hygiene, like medical device manufacturing areas or pharmaceutical cleanrooms. Green ESD static flooring of model Y.H.E 1809 is another frequently chosen option. It is often associated with safety and compliance in electrostatic protection. Blue, as a popular color option for ESD flooring, is available in Y.H models Y.H.E 1808 and Y.H.E 1815. It has a calming and professional appearance, making it suitable for areas where a more soothing and professional atmosphere is desired, such as some high-tech laboratories, cleanrooms, and electronic assembly areas. Custom colors. Y.H Floors offers custom patterns and color options to match branding or design specifications.